how to turn on fast access to Hype on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on fast access to Hype on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera and then click this Opera icon here in the bottom corner, and then click this one, settings, and now you will find this one here, Hype Messenger, this one. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click here, and as you see, fast access to Hype has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.